Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be testing the how is the proximity sensor in the Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone. So even this was the question asked by a few of the subscribers: how is the proximity sensor? Is it working fine when taking calls or not? So in this video, I'll try to demonstrate how is the proximity sensor and where is the location of the proximity sensor as well. So let's see, friends, where the location of the proximity sensor is, because some of the mobile phones, they do have the in-display proximity sensor, like a few other phones which I did see in the past. So let's see where the location of the proximity sensor and whether it's working properly or not. So right now you can see, friends, I did call to my Poco X3 device, and now let me try to lift the call and show you the proximity sensor, it's working or not. As you can see, friends, the proximity sensor, so let me try to use the hand. It's definitely working, as you can see here. So few of the smartphones, so they don't work when you place the hand, but they do work when the phone is near to the ear. So that is another proximity sensor which is kind of drawback in those mobile phones. But in the proximity sensor in the Poco X3 is pretty good in detecting the hands even from the top area, as you can see here. Even from this too far, it's trying to detect very good without any issues. As you can see, friends, it's working pretty fine without any problem, the proximity sensor. So if I turn off the light right now, you will be able to see the proximity sensor exactly here it's located. It's blinking, as you can see, friends. So it's blinking a little bit. So you won't be able to see in the direct light, but you can see it's the proximity sensor location, so which is very good. So which is located near the earpiece area, so which is close to the speaker, front facing speaker, as you can see here. So slightly only you can see when there is a light, but when there is highlight, when there is more light, you cannot see that small proximity sensor, as you can see here. But overall, the proximity sensor is working pretty fine in the Poco X3 device without any issues. And make sure to check the links in description for what wallpaper I'm using in this video, and for more details about the Poco X3 device, so try to check the links in description as well. There's a playlist available for the Poco X3 users only. So if you plan to buy the Poco X3, or if you already bought, try to check that playlist, so that will be helping you a lot in terms of knowing more things about the Poco X3 smartphone. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.